Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I was reading an article the other day and it talked about how you can wash your produce in your dishwasher. Interesting, right? You've probably never heard of that, or probably not a whole lot of you have heard of that. I had never heard of that. But I thought it was really, really interesting. And then I started kind of thinking, I wonder if there's anything else that you can do with your dishwasher. And it turns out there is. So I have 7 hacks that you can do with your dishwasher. I know, it's weird. This video is definitely going to be interesting. But hack number 1 is what I just told you. So what you can do is you put everything on the top rack, your new produce, when you bring it home from the store. And you obviously do not add any dishwasher detergent to this. Obviously, please don't do that. You want to run it on the cold cycle. If you don't have a dishwasher where you can choose your temperature or choose your setting, then this is not going to be a hack that works for you. I do not want you to try this and put it on like your normal cycle because it's going to cook your vegetables. So don't do that. Only do this if you have a dishwasher that allows you to choose your cold setting, and just put it on delicate. So it's going to gently just wash away any debris, any dirt, any germs from the store, and supposedly it does a really good job at washing your vegetables. So I haven't tried this yet because my dishwasher does not have that option. Like, I can choose different settings, but I can't choose the temperature. So unfortunately, I'm not able to try this out and tell you guys whether or not this works. So if you have tried it, or if you plan on trying it, please leave me a comment down below letting me know if it actually worked or not, and if you would recommend it. Also, the other good thing about it is because it's in the dishwasher, so you got a good drying rack, right? Like, just leave it in there, open your door a bit and let it dry, which will be perfect. So that's hack number 1. Make sure, please, somebody try this and let me know if it works. Tip number 2 is something that I have done quite a bit, and I especially used to do it when I had my daycare, and that is to sanitize your kids' toys. So when I had my daycare in my home, I was always cleaning toys. And any toy that's like, obviously has no batteries or anything like that. And I also wouldn't recommend doing it with painted wood either, because I made the mistake of doing that a couple times and it will strip off your wood. So just put in basically like plastic toys that don't have any electronics in them, and you run it on the hottest cycle possible. And I did put in a dishwasher detergent with it, but you don't have to. Like, either way would work fine. But I put in a dishwasher tab, and I used to clean my kids' toys like this all the time. I don't do it as much anymore because it's just like my kids here now, so I'm not as crazy about germs because they're the only ones playing with them. But if you have, like, if you're babysitting anyone, or if you just do want to clean your kids' toys like this once a year or something like that, it makes it really, really easy. I just put everything on the racks. I even did the bottom racks as well. With some larger toys. You can put them in bags or just put them on the rack. That's what I did, and it works fantastically. So this next one is going to be a little unorthodox. Like, I literally went on the internet and I was just searching like things your dishwasher can clean, weird dishwasher hacks. I'm just trying to find like all these cool different things. And I have everything written down here. So there's a hack that apparently you can disinfect your hairbrushes, makeup brushes, toothbrushes, loofahs, all in your dishwasher. And once again, haven't tried it. I imagine that you would run this on the hottest cycle if you're trying to disinfect, but you got to be careful because obviously if you're going to be doing things like your hairbrush, you want to make sure that you have all the hair out of it first, because you do not want any residual hair being trapped in your dishwasher, and then all of a sudden the next time you go and run a dishwasher cycle for your dishes, you're going to have hair all over them in between the twines of your fork and stuff. You don't want to be messing around with that. So make sure if you're going to try this hack that you remove all the hair first. But it definitely would be a good thing to disinfect these things, because these are items I think that people don't really think about disinfecting very often. Like, when was the last time you disinfected your hairbrush, or your toothbrush for that matter? This next one is something that I think is such a great idea, and that is for things like baseball caps, flip-flops, shoes. Like, I hate throwing my shoes into the dishwasher because I feel like all the flopping around is going to harm my dishwasher. It probably won't. It's probably fine. But I always get anxiety whenever I throw shoes in there because it's like banging around and you're scared that it's going to wreck something. So you can place these items in your dishwasher, run it once again on the hottest cycle, and it will clean them. Hats, especially like baseball hats, I mean, they lose their shape if you throw them in the regular washing machine, right? They come out all like weird, and they want to like rip away from the bill of the hat, and they become all misshapen. So definitely that is a really good hack, I think. So here is another sort of unorthodox thing that you can use. But if you are making a huge meal at your home and a bunch of stuff is ready before other stuff and you need a place to warm it, you can use your dishwasher as a warming drawer. So you can just set your entire like casserole dish in your dishwasher and just have it on the warming cycle, on the heat cycle, and it will keep your food warm. What a good idea is that? That is such a good idea. I never would have thought of that before. So number 6 is the last sort of food one that once again, sounds really cool to me. And I do believe this one because I know that you can, the hack is ripening an avocado. And I know that you can ripen an avocado in the oven. If you put it on at a low temperature, put it in foil, you can do that. But apparently if you throw it in your dishwasher on a smaller cycle, like on the delicate cycle, it has to have a little bit of heat. You don't want it to be like on the disinfecting cycle because that'll just cook your avocado. But if you put it like on the delicate, then it supposedly ripens your avocado if you need an avocado ripened. And tip number 7, this is for if you have a dishwasher that is no longer of use to you, one that is broken. You can actually take out those racks and you can use them as under storage underneath your bed. They have the rollers on them, so you can roll them in, roll them out, and you can put, really the sky's the limit, anything in there to store underneath your bed. So really good storage idea. So you guys, this was 7 strange, weird dishwasher hacks that you probably have never heard of. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. Something kind of different from my channel, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to talk about this because I just, like I said, I came across that article and I thought this is kind of cool. So let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more strange videos like this. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and let me know if you try any of those hacks and how they work out for you. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.